Hello everyone, again, this is Antonio, and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying, for those that don't know me or don't know anything about my channel, on this channel we speak about stock, crypto, personal and business credit. So in other words, we're asking that you subscribe to our channel as we release 4 to 5 videos per week. And without further ado, let's talk about Faraday Future. Faraday Future is like that family member who can't get right. So they like the family member in the EV community that can't get right. If you don't know the backstory of Faraday Future, they started like in 2014. They were supposed to be that company to directly challenge Tesla, but the founder of Faraday Future, who was a multi-billionaire, he had like $6 billion when he started the company, went bankrupt. At the time Faraday Future went bankrupt, his wife was arrested overseas in China, but Faraday Future never gave up. They still swinging. They still are trying to release their first vehicle. Their first vehicle is supposed to be released in 2022. So let's talk about why they delayed their third quarter earnings. Faraday Future delays quarter 3 earnings filing to look into claims of inaccurate disclosures. I think that this is something that they can get past. Remember that Lucid, when they did the merger with CCIV or Churchill Capital, Peter Wallerson said that they was going to deliver 6,000 cars in 2021, but when further looking into the scope, only 592 cars were supposed to be delivered. But the good news is they got over the hump and the hurdle, and now Lucid is more valuable than Ford. Pre-production electric vehicle company Faraday Future said on Monday that it's delaying its third quarter financial filing and investigating allegations of inaccurate disclosures. The delay follows a J Capital Research equity research report in early October in which analysts accused Faraday Future of fabricating their vehicle reservation numbers, among other issues. Faraday Future, which has yet to produce the battery electric car with autonomous features it has been promising since 2017, and said it lost $280 million in the third quarter of 2021. That's the illustrious car. It's beautiful. That car, the FF91, is $190,000. So they're saying that they have close to 14,000 people that has reserved this $14,000 car, which is very, very possible because a lot of people got a lot of money. All right, pre-production electric vehicle Faraday Future is delaying its third quarter financial report in order to complete an investigation to allegations of inaccurate disclosures, the company said in the filing Monday. We already discussed this. The delay follows the J Capital Research equity research report in October, in which analysis accused Faraday Future of fabricating vehicle reservation numbers, one indication of demand for the company's future cars. The report also accused Faraday Future of lying about its capability to start mass production of electric cars in Hamlin, California, within approximately 7 months, among myriad other concerns. Faraday Future, in a press statement Monday, reiterated plans to start deliveries of the company's FF91 vehicles in July next year. The long-delayed fully electric crossover, which is supposed to include driverless valet and other high-tech features, was first unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show in 2017. The company also said it lost $280 million in the third quarter of 2021, even though its financial filing had to be delayed. Founded in 2014, Faraday Future went public via a special purpose acquisition company SPAC, a private investment in public equity PIPE deal in July this year. Former CEO Jai Utang filed for Chapter 11 personal bankruptcy in the fourth quarter of 2019 and now serves as Chief Product Ecosystem Officer at the company. In the veteran EV industry, several smaller players have faced federal investigations after short sellers accused them of fraud, including Lordstown Motors, Nikola, and Workhorse Group. Nikola, I said that wrong. Gnu also faced a federal investigation after a string of executive departures and high short interest. By contrast, another EV newcomer, Rivian, notched a record-breaking IPO last week and saw shares continue to rise by about 15% on Monday. Amid news that President Biden was signing a bipartisan infrastructure bill set to pour $550 billion in government money into transportation, broadband, and utilities, including $75 billion to help create a network of charging stations for EVs. So, what do you think about Faraday Future, the bumpy roads that it has had in the past? Do you think that this is still a car company that you can get around and invest in? If so, comment below. Tell me if you got any shares, or tell the community if you got any shares of Faraday, or do you think this is a car company that you should stay away from? Right now, their shares are like $8.83, or maybe they done dipped since the time of this video. And do you think that they will get back to their 20-week high of $20.75? Comment below as well. Once again, this is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, and subscribe, as we'll be coming to you with more videos in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.